Yung in love prank na lang. Yun na lang. Mas nakakaano yun. Mas convincing. Saan ba sila active? Bye. I need to tell you something. Hi! I need to tell you something serious.
What?
I need to tell you something
Okay, go.
serious.
What?
Bye, this is serious.
Go, what is it? Faster!
Get off! Get out of there!
Wait, I'm just gonna go not speaker then.
Okay.
Okay, turn your cam off so that it's not speaker, it's stupid.
Oh, my bad.
Or what?
It's like, Jane.
Oh.
Serious, ha? This serious.
Can you not lie? I'm actually in the gym na.
Kakarating mo lang dyan?
Oh, wait.
Okay. I have something to tell you.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh no.
Hoy! Huwag kang magmura.
Taro.
Don't mura. Bad yan.
Okay, go. Faster.
So like, ganito kasi yun. Like, one time, I was just going like this, no? Tapos I wanted to tell you, but I couldn't tell you. But now I'm gonna tell you. Pero, he might...
If this is a prank, I'm gonna throw you. Faster ba?
So he might get mad kasi, and you might get mad.
Okay, go.
So like, ganito kasi yun.
Yeah,
First-
wag ka.
Don't mura! Open your cam.
What?
You cannot see?
What's that?
It's, alive.
Uy!
Excuse me. They wanted me to call somebody. To prank them.
Hello, guys.
Pero I wanted to end yours kasi baka ano masabi mo.
I'm muntik na talaga, bro. Don't choose me na for ganyan.
Yeah, that's why. Anyway, just say hi.
Hi, guys. Enough na like that. Enough na prank calls. Tama na.
Okay. Bye-bye. Good luck.
Bye, bye.
Ingat.
Bye.
Same to say. Actually, it's a bad idea to do the in love prank with Rain. Kasi alam niya. May alam siya. So baka ano masabi niya? You know? Si Kai kasi not serious. Ano naman gagawin ko? What am I gonna say?